Good evening. Welcome to CML Infotech. Today we are talking about EIGRP from CCMA. Recap. EIGRP last class in single AS. എത്ര routers ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും we have to configure either single AS or multi AS. EIGRP support up to 255 AS. So here, if you have a single router or if you plan for single AS, you can configure everything under single AS. If you have planning for dual AS, let's say you have 3 routers, the AS will be breakdown from between a router. So here, this is the AS. So sender router network, receiver router network, same AS. So let's say this is AS10. Then R2, R3, this is, let's say this must be the same network, therefore this is might be AS20. Or you can put all network into or all router under one AS. Let's say AS10. So AS വന്നിട്ട് 16 bits, 16 bit, so 65535. നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത് all routers under single AS. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് let's say 10 network, 25 network. Then we have 25, we have 20, then we have a 50, we have 30. So all are into one AS. Fine. നമുക്ക് ഇതിന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ multi AS വേണമെങ്കിലും ആക്കാം. So here as an example, so let me see if this document has. Okay. So we can define this as EIGRP. Example, let's say this is, let me take this into this is 50. So let us plan. This is one AS and let's say this is AS, another AS. Okay, so this is EIGRP AS 100. This is EIGRP AS 200. Generally, within the EIGRP can communicate each other, and between an EIGRP we require a redistribution. So we'll go back to the configuration area. So let us have a look here. This R1 router. Then we have R2, we have R3. So let's say we're going to configure R1 first. R1. Show IP/INT brief. Here you can see there are many networks. 7, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have 10, then we have 25. So config T. Router EIGRP, you can see 16 bits. AS number, we're going to configure 100. Network 1000. Network 2500. We have two networks, 10 and 25. Then we have also subnetting 7, 1, 10, 0. So if you simply configure like 7.1 dot, what's the network? 7.1.10.0, this will be considered as a class A7000, but we did subnetting this, so that what we need to make sure that 7117110, then we need to put the wildcard mask 000255. So how the wildcard mask can be represented? So here is an example. Let's say 255 or 255, 255, 255, 255, which is called broadcast address. Broadcast address minus subnet mask. The result we called as wildcard mask. Example, class C or any network. Example 7.1.10.0. This is a slash 24. Slash 24 means minus 255.255.255.0, which means 0.0.0.255. This for class C. The network which we mentioned is class A network, but we did subnetting, so it probably look like class C. Now, so this we call it as wildcard mask. Let's say 710. Then what's the other subnets? So let's say 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. Do right. Do show IP protocol is the command to see the routing protocol that you can see here. We've configured EIGRP 100. And the maximum default 100 routers can support, and that we can increase up to 255 number of router supports. Then we have configured this many network under EIGRP. Then here we can see that if you configured same AS, it's called 90, different AS called 170. So in our design, we have same AS and we have a different AS. Okay, in this design, according to R1, the unknown network, which is 20, called IEIGRP. So let us finish the configuration first. So we've done with R1. Now we're going to access R2. Let's say this is R2. In R2, show IPINT brief. You have three networks. So the 20 and 25002. So we can configure one more network. Let's say config T, interface loopback, example 35, IP address 35.001.255.000. Do show IPINT. So you have four networks. So which are these four networks? So let me explain to you. So let's say you have R1, you have R2, you have R3. So let me connect like this. Now we did the interconnection like this, and okay, first we can configure the network. So this is L35, L35, which is 35 0 0 1, and this is 50 50 50. Let's say what's the network, 50 0 0 50 0 0 1, and here I have switch with the system, which is 20 0 0 1, and this is 25 network. So now this is, so 25 and 20 belongs to EIGRP 100, and 35 and 50 which belongs to EIGRP 200. So the R2 is acting as center router which knows about EIGRP 100 as well as EIGRP 200. So we go back to R2. So it has 4 networks. So let's say router EIGRP 100. As long as we don't have a subnetting value, doesn't require wildcard mask, or you can represent the wildcard mask, no issues. It's not mandatory unless you have a subnetting value. Let's say here we have example 20 0, which is under EIGRP 100. Then you have 25. The moment you put 25, there is a neighbor relationship occurred between your R1 router. Now going back, so I'll show you once again. You enter to EIGRP 100, enter 25, enter 20, exit. Going back to EIGRP 200, then 2 more network, 35 and 50. So here you have EIGRP 100 and EIGRP 200 with their own respective networks. We'll go back to R3. R3 router, enable show IP INT brief. You can see here you have a 30 and 50.2, which is router EIGRP 200, network 30.00, network 50.0. All right. Now, if you go back to your design, here you have 10 network. And here you have many, let's say you have here 7, 1, 10, 0, 11, 0, 12, 0. Likewise, you have many network. So now, according to R1, the 20 network, let's say this 20 network from R2 will coming to R1 as IEIGRP, which is same AS. How will you know that same AS? You can see the administrative distance value. R1 ലേക്ക് R2 20 നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് സിംഗിൾ സെയിം AS ആയിട്ട് വരും, അതിൻ്റെ AD 20. So we'll look into R1. Do show IP route, ROUTE. You can see here 20 network, you can see administrative distance valued 90. And D means you can see somewhere here D means EIGRP. Okay, or you can even filter like EIGRP network. Now you can see the D means 20. But here ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 35 ഉണ്ട് അറിയാത്തത്, പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ 30 ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ 50 ഉണ്ട്. ഇതൊന്നും ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നിട്ടില്ല. കാരണം ബൈ ഡിഫോൾട്ട് ആയിട്ട് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് എസ് തമ്മിൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യില്ല. കാരണം അവർ വേറെ എസ് ആണ്. അതിനു വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ റീഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ ചെയ്യണം. റീഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ. സോ അത് R2 റൗട്ടറിനകത്ത് കയറിയിട്ടാണ് റീഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. The router who knows about both the AS will perform redistribution. So that means you go to R2, router EIGRP 100, redistribution EIGRP 200, exit. So what we have done, we entered to EIGRP 100, we informed any network which belongs to EIGRP 200 will be redistributed into EIGRP 100. Same thing, go to 200, then say redistribute EIGRP 100. EIGRP 100 കയറിയിട്ട് പറയാം 200 റീഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം, 200 കയറിയിട്ട് പറയാം 100 റീഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും റീഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. Now we go to R1, you can see some networks that called DEX, which means EIGRP external, which the AD call 170, 30, 35, 50. So same ASL അല്ലാത്ത EIGRP നെറ്റ്വർക്ക്സ് എല്ലാം DEX എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് വരിക. അതിൻ്റെ അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേറ്റീവ് 170. ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ R3 നോക്കിയാൽ, R3 നോക്കിയാൽ ഇവിടെ ഒരു നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് ഉണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഏതാ നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് ഉള്ളത്? നമുക്ക് 35/8 loopback 35. Let's say line. ഇവിടെ നമ്മളൊരു loopback ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് 35. R3 സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം 35 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ലൂപ്ബാക്ക് സെയിം AS ആണ്. അപ്പം അത് D എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കാണിക്കും. നോക്കാം. Go to R3, do show IP route EIGRP. Go to R3, do show IP route EIGRP. Now you can see that 35 called D, which is 90. Then all the networks which is unknown to R3, which are from different AS, like from AS 100, you can see 20, 25, 10. Then you have some loopbacks here, one which 7xx network. So go back to R3. You can see here 10, 20, and 25. All are 170. Also, you can see 7. Actually, we go back to R1, see that we have 7x network, which are multiple 10, 11, 12, all from 7x networks. So which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have nearly 11 networks from 7x. But when you look into R3, you can see a single entry. And if you go to R2, do show IP route EIGRP, you can see a single entry. Okay, which means this is, if you look into, Even though we have 7 with the multiple networks, we can see only a single, which means do show IP protocol. We can see here a concept called automatic network summarization is an effect. A subnetting ചെയ്ത എല്ലാ വാല്യൂം സിംഗിൾ ആയിട്ട് കാണിക്കും. നമുക്കത് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കാണണമെങ്കിൽ no auto summary. This is called automatic network summary, which we need no auto summary. Automatic summarization വേണ്ട, നമ്മളത് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യുക. No auto summary. Go to R1, no auto summary. Go to R3, no auto summary. നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് മുമ്പ് നോക്കിയപ്പം ഒക്കെ ഒറ്റന്നായിട്ടാണ് കണ്ടത്. ഇപ്പം do show IP route EIGRP. Do show IP route EIGRP. Now you can see all are individual. Auto summarization off ചെയ്തതുകൊണ്ട് അത് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി show IP protocol. You can see that automatic network summarization is not in effect, it's disabled. Okay, so we have discussed to configure EIGRP with a same AS and a different AS. Then the network summarization of off. We have discussed 3 concepts today. 1, how we can configure EIGRP. Second, redistribution between an EIGRP. The third, to turn off auto summarization. So hope you understand the session today. Thank you for being with us. Have a good time.